Hello, how are you? I hope you've had a good day. Thanks for popping over. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to do another entry into my nature journal. How's your day been? What have you been up to? Well, today was a beautiful blue sky day. There were a few clouds floating in the sky, but the sky was so blue it didn't seem to matter. The pigeons were here, as always, and I saw a thrush looking on the ground for worms. Not sure if she found any, but she was certainly having fun looking and digging through plant pots. It's surprising because thrushes are quite common, but I think this is the first one I've seen in quite a while. The barn owl had had a busy night last night. I could hear him hooting lots. He was actually active for quite a long time through the night. And I saw my first butterfly of spring this morning. A beautiful cabbage white flying here and there. I love to see them hopping from flower to flower. I love all butterflies. I love watching butterflies. When my children were small, we did the whole growing them and releasing them. You buy the butterfly nets, don't you? And the larva, and you let them all grow. And then when they turn into butterflies, you release them into the wild, which was a really, really good thing to do. And the kids absolutely loved it. Um, my kids have grown up with nature, so they're used to it. They used to, believe it or not, I bought a huge trampoline for my children. Do you know what they used it for? Snail racing. You've got it. Snail racing. They used to put the snails at one end and let them go and see which one could race to the other side first. Yep. And then when they'd finished, they made them a home in the sandpit lid and gave them lots of food to eat. And I tell you, snails were happy in my garden. But anyway, even the robin redbreast was out in the hedgerow this morning and singing, which is always nice to hear. Um, I think robins and blue tits are probably my favourite wild birds, and I'm very blessed that both of them visit my garden. But it's nice that the robins here all year round. And I think that's everything today that I've got to tell you. It's a bit of a quick one today, isn't it? But it's getting late, and I've had a very busy day. But I wanted to tell you all about my butterfly, just frittering away. My children always used to call them flutterbys. We still do sometimes. But it was always just known as a flutterby. And hopefully I shall see a lot more flutterbys in the coming months. Still not seen a bee yet, but we are still in April, so I'm not worried. There is mm, a farm a few miles from us that has lots of beehives. Um, we usually get a good amount of bees through the year, and we are in the middle of several farms, so lots of trees and countryside. Well, I hope you're all well, and I hope you have enjoyed listening to me waffle on. And I will leave you with some music. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Thank you so much for popping by. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you have an awesome day and an awesome rest of the week. Take care now. Goodbye.